The witch from Hansel and Gretel.
It's the witch with the oven and all of that going on.
It's the right answer.
Yeah.
Yes, the scariest fairy tale character is the witch in Hansel and Gretel. In the original fairy tale, the witch who eats children represents acute postnatal depression, and the gingerbread house represents cravings during pregnancy. Hansel is the male generative force, the sperm, the son of the wood chopper or penis. Gretel is the egg. The enchanted forest is pubic hair. The warts on the witch's face are an STD. Cinderella is a whore, the gingerbread man is gay, the beanstalk is a giant cock, Little Red Riding Hood is the clitoris, and Goldilocks fucks animals. Any questions?